This is our movable trailer toilet. 4.9 meters long, 2 meters wide, 3.1 meters high. With trailer chassis and stairs. Customized to rooms. Women's toilet, equipped with toilet, paper towel rack, and hand washing basin. LED large mirror, lid ceiling lamp, exhaust fan, and drain. The indoor water circuit system is built in and installed. There is a small control room behind the toilet. Men's toilets are also equipped with toilets, urinals, hand basins, paper towel holder, LED large mirror, lid ceiling lamp, exhaust fan, water outlet. Our toilets are all decorated. SPC or tiles flooring, PVC ceiling. The wall body is made of 50 rock wool board. The interior wall is decorated with PVC board, and the exterior wall is equipped with aluminum shell. The whole toilet is made of steel structure, which is sturdy and safety. If more people need to be accommodated, we can also increase the size of the toilet. This model is 7.1 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and 3.1 meters high. Stairs and handrails are built at the entrance. It also has waterproof decoration and built-in water circuit. It is equipped with 2 urinals, a hand wash basin, a large LED mirror, a ceiling lamp, and a drain. This is a 2-compartment toilet. Partition wall and partition door made of laminate, toilet, and shelf in the compartment. There is also an exhaust fan. The next room has the same configuration. Such a toilet is beautiful, practical, and convenient when placed in the park or campsite.